Hello everyone, today I'm going to start with a new topic calendar. We'll get at least 1 or 3 marks like for any government exam you're preparing for. So, first of all, let us understand the basic concepts like leap year and non leap year. So, non leap year will have how many days and how many all those things. So I'll show with an example whether 2021 it is in a leap year or non-leap year. So when a number is exactly divisible by 4, it is called as a leap year. Whenever it is not divisible, it is called as a non-leap year. See here, 2021 is non-leap year because it is not divisible by 4. 20 is divisible by 4, that's why it is called as a leap year. So non-leap year will have exactly 365 days, 5 hours, 45 minutes, 46 seconds extra. So this 48 minutes and 46 seconds is approximately 6 hours. So that's why every leap year comes after the 4 years. Like 2020, 2024, 2018, 28. Like it is increasing for 4 years. Now let us understand in 14 days how many odd days are there. So in a week we have 7 days, right? So 14 divided by 7, so we'll have 2 complete weeks. There are 0 odd days, there are no odd days in this. So leap year will have, we need to understand how many odd days will leap year have and non-leap year have. Leap year will generally have 2 odd days and non-leap year will have 1 extra odd day. Okay, and then let us understand clearly the difference between the leap year and non-leap year. So leap year is nothing but, non-leap year is not divisible by 4. Leap year which is divisible by 4, example 2020, 2024, 2012, all those things. And non-leap year will have exactly 365 days, that is nothing but 52 weeks plus 1 extra odd day. We read the previous, right? To non-leap year will have 1 extra day, but we're coming to leap year we have 2 extra days. So that's why February month will have 29 days in leap year. In non-leap year, February month has 28 days. Note, century year to be a leap year, it should be, if it is in a century year, it should be divisible by 400. If it is a leap year, it should be divisible by 4. So this is what the difference between both of them. If it is a century to be a leap year, it should be divisible by 400. So let us check some examples. Whether 2000 is divisible by 400, yes, it is a century year. 800, yes, it is in a, and 1900 and 1100, these won't be divisible by 400. So 2400 is divisible by 400, so it is a century year. So how to calculate the odd days when days are given? So 25 days. So how many odd days are there? So we need to generally divide by 7 for finding the odd days. So 7 divided by 25 days. So 7 into 4 is 24. So we have 1 odd day extra, right? Sorry, 7 into 3 is 21. So we have 4 extra days. The next 76. So when we divide by 4, we get 6 odd days. So odd day should be always greater than 7. So this is one of the most important point you should remember. And the next concept is, so if we need to understand, whenever we do Tuesday backwards, when we go Tuesday 6 backwards, so 6 days backward, we will get Wednesday. In a similar way, when we go Tuesday like 1 step forward, we get Wednesday itself. So when we go Monday back 5 days, so it will be Wednesday. Monday 2 days, it will be Wednesday. In Thursday, so whenever we go back 4 days, it will be Sunday. For if we go 3 days front, it will be Sunday. So Wednesday, if we go back 6 days, it will be Thursday. And then when we are going 1 day front, it will be Thursday. So you can see the difference. You are getting Thursday, Sunday. So Wednesday. So now let us understand some problems. So if today is Tuesday, so what would be the day after 38 days? So 38 days divided by 7. So 7 into 5 is 35. So remaining days, odd days are 3 odd days, right? So Tuesday plus 3 odd days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The answer would be Friday. So the next after 23 days, so 23 divided by 7, so it will be 7 into 3 is 21. Remaining 2 odd days, Tuesday plus 2 odd days will be Thursday. So this is a way to calculate. And the next one is, so if the first day of the month falls on Wednesday, then what day is 30th day of the same month? So first day is Wednesday. He's asking the 30th day of the same month. So we need to perform, so from 1st to 30. So we need to subtract. So 1 minus 30 is 29. So in a week we have 7 days, right? So divided by 7. 7 into 4 is 28. So we have one odd day. So we have one odd day, right? So Wednesday plus 1 day, it will give us Thursday as an answer. And the next one, if the first day of the non-leap year is Friday, then what day is the last day of the same year? So first day to last day of a non-leap year. Generally non-leap year will have 365 days, right? So 1 minus 365 days is 364. So then divided by 7, you get 0 odd days. 0 is not Friday, will be Friday itself. Okay. Then if the 8th day of the month falls on Monday, so what day is 28th day of the same month? So 8th day to 28th day. So what is the difference? 20. 20 divided by 7. So the answer would be 6 odd days. So whenever we do plus 6 odd days or go back one step, or we get the same answer, right? So it is Monday. So minus 1 is nothing but Sunday. Okay. We'll go to another example. Let us see another example. See, if the 25th day of any year is Monday, what day is 85th day of the same year? So 25th day is Monday. Now I want 85th day. So you need to subtract. We'll get 60 divided by 7. So we are getting 4 odd days. So Monday plus 4 odd days is nothing but Friday. So here you can understand the difference between these both. So if 266 day of any year is Thursday, so then what day is the last day of the same year? So if 266 is Thursday, he is saying last day. He did not mention whether it is a leap year or not a leap year. But here he has mentioned any year is Monday. He is asking about the day here. So but he did not give any mention like whether it is a leap year or not leap year. We'll get 2 answers. So that's why it cannot be determined. This answer cannot be determined. Now if the 94th day of non-leap year is Thursday, then what day is 42nd day of the same year? Now he is going from higher position to lower position. So we need to minus it. That's it. So from 94th it is a Thursday, and now is asking the 42nd day. So we'll get approximately 52. 52 divided by 7 will exactly get 3 odd days. So Thursday minus 3 odd days is nothing but Monday's answer. And the next one is, if the 5th of a month falls 2 days after Monday, what day will precede 23rd of the month? So is what is asking. This is a very good question. You need to understand. So 5th day of a month falls 2 days after Monday. After means what? Monday after 2 days means Tuesday and Wednesday, right? So the Wednesday, then what will be the precede 23 23rd of the month. So 23rd of the month, what it will be? So you need to subtract this to 5 minus 23 and we'll get answer as 18. 18 divided by 7 will get approximately 4 odd days. So 4 odd days. So plus 4 is Sunday. But now he's asking precede of 23rd, means minus. He's asking 23rd day. So 23rd is Sunday. What is the 22nd day? It is actually Saturday, right? So this is a way to do it.